Cool cancer question. 54-year-old man, metastatic melanoma, started on an inhibitor targeting this. So CTLA-4 normally blocks, it turns off T cells. And how it does this is, in the T regulatory pathway, we have three hormones that are secreted, three enzymes. Interleukin 10, TGF-beta, and CTLA-4. CTLA-4 inhibits the connection of CD28 and CD80 to 86, right? So these guys handshake. That triggers an immune response. CTLA-4 says stop the handshaking, okay? This inhibitor is going to stop the stopper of the handshake. So they're going to handshake again, and that will cause the T cell activation. And so then you're going to have your response, right? So that's why that monoclonal antibody in this question will make the T cell stay on and fight the cancer. And so here it's asking, what's the mechanism? And it's the blockade of inhibitory signals. So you're blocking those inhibitory, the CTLA-4 signals from the 8086. So that's going to be our correct answer choice. B, decreased regulatory T cell activity due to increased IL-10. Tregs reduce the immune action using IL-10, TGF-beta, but the CTLA-4 blockade doesn't increase IL-10. It just prevents T cell inhibition. C, enhanced neutrophil recruitment through complement activation. Neutrophil activation is not a mechanism that's involved in the checkpoint inhibitor toxicity, right? Neutrophils are like neutrophilic, just white blood cells. So stained by neutral dyes, that's what it means, neutrophil. But the side effect of the T cell is, the side effects are T cell mediated, not complement driven, okay? Next, overexpression of PD-L1 on the tumor cells. So if you overexpress those, then you would suppress the immune responses, because then you bind the PD-1 on the T cells, and that's targeted by PD-1 inhibitors. Like we've done this in another practice question, pembrolizumab and nivolumab, not CTLA-4 inhibitors. So yeah, it's fair that PD-L1, the programmed death ligand ones, do suppress the immune system responses. That's true. And they do this by binding PD-1. And so some tumors will express that ligand so they can turn off the T cells. And so PD-1 inhibitors will go through and break that interaction. What about suppression of CD8? That one you should think of your natural killer. So CTLA-4 blockade actually enhances the CD8 because you want more T cells to work. If you suppress this, that'd be bad. Okay, hopefully that was a helpful little explanation of some of these cancer drugs. They're really confusing, but as you work through them and watch these videos, it should help.